Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's check your observation power with our new amazing puzzles. Today, we will find the odd emojis. Subscribe to the channel, and at the end, let us know how many of the quizzes you finished successfully in the comments below. Let's get started. Did you notice his cheeks are not red? This one is looking at different side. Seems like his eyes are white. Seems like this one likes red star more than blue. Maybe he is angry, so his eyes are red. You see, both eyes are open. This one looks at different side as well. Did you notice his glass is in left side? I don't know why, but his mouth is red. Did you see the lollipop is in left side? This one has different eyes than others. Did you notice their eyes are in different shape? I think something is wrong with his eyes. The only Mandarin without mouth. Haha. Hey, who turned this upside down? Were you able to find all of them? Write in the comments. And please, do not forget to like the video and subscribe. That will help us to grow. Thank you.